गृहाभ्यासस्य विश्लेषणं करिष्यामः। अस्मिन् गृहाभ्यासे एकः भागः, एकः विषयः अस्ति यत् विशेष्यपदं विशेषणपदम् एतयोः मध्ये सम्बन्धः कथं भवति, what type of relationship exists, which I think all of you know already, right? Like विशेषणं विशेष्यपदं समानाधिकरणं समानाधिकरणे इत्युक्ते किम्, एकस्य पदार्थस्य एव निर्देशनं कुरुतः। Means both of विशेष्यपदं तथा विशेषणपदं, both of them they point to the same object, पदार्थ। इति कारणात् पदयोः मध्ये कीदृशसम्बन्धः भवति, समान विभक्तिलिङ्गवचनं भवति, समान विभक्तिलिङ्गवचनं। So either any doubt here, कश्चित् सन्देहः अस्ति चेत् कृपया पृच्छतु इदानीं। समान विभक्तिलिङ्गवचनं, that was one part of this homework. The other part is identifying the correct vibhakti needed. So for example, the first one, patra dash dash shitala jalam patati. So there patra, now in which vibhakti? Now obviously patra and shitala and jalam, तयोर् मध्ये विशेष्य विशेषण भावः सम्बन्धः तत्र वर्तते। परन्तु पात्रपदस्य किं भवति, तस्य विभक्तिः का भवेत्, विभक्तिप्रत्ययः कथं भवेत् तत्र पात्र। तथैव मार्जारः डैश डैश पश्यति, तत्र विशेषणं विशेषं किमपि नास्ति। अशोक इति पदस्य विभक्तिप्रत्ययः कः भवेत् इत्येव प्रश्नः तत्र। तत्र मार्जारः अशोकः तत्र विशेष्य विशेषणभावः नास्ति। कानिचित् उत्तराणि सन्ति यत्र मार्जारः अनन्तरम् अशोकः इति प्रथमविभक्तिप्रत्ययः तत्र प्रयुक्तः अस्ति कस्मिंश्चित् उत्तरे। परन्तु मार्जारः अशोकः तत्र विशेष्य विशेषणं नास्ति। अशोकः भिन्नपदार्थः, मार्जारः भिन्नपदार्थः। तत्र तदा अशोकपदस्य विभक्तिप्रत्ययः कः भवेत् इति एव प्रश्नः।
अशोकं पश्यति।
तत्र कथम् अवगमनं कथं भवति, अशोकपदस्य विभक्तिप्रत्ययः प्रथमा भवेत्, द्वितीया भवेत्, तृतीया भवेत् इत्यादि। तत्र अवगमनम् अथवा अस्माभिः कथं ज्ञायते, तत्र कथं ज्ञायते, क्रियापदं दृष्ट्वा एव ज्ञायते। क्रियापदं किम् अस्ति तत्र, पश्यति इति। पश्यति इति क्रियापदम् अस्ति। मार्जारः पश्यति इति पदमस्ति। मार्जारः इति कर्तृपदम्, दट् इस् द सब्जेक्ट् मार्जारः। मार्जारः कार्यं करोति, किं कार्यं करोति, अत्र पश्यति इति कार्यं करोति। पश्यति इत्युक्ते दर्शनकार्यं। मार्जारः पश्यति, इदानीं पश्यति इति कार्यं करोति, तदा प्रश्नः भवति किं पश्यति। मार्जारः इदानीं किं पश्यति, अशोकं पश्यति इति अशोकपदस्य द्वितीया विभक्तिः भवेत्। एवमेव सर्वेषु वाक्येषु अत्र तत्र किञ्चित् दृष्ट्वा किम् अस्ति, तत्र क्रियापदं किम् अस्ति, सन्दर्भः कः अस्ति इति दृष्ट्वा वाक्यस्य अर्थः कः भवति इति दृष्ट्वा इति विचिन्त्य तस्य विभक्तिप्रत्ययस्य योजनं करणीयं तत्र। तदेव विशेष्यविशेषणभावः तथा विभक्तिप्रत्ययस्य प्रयोगः। इदानीं किं कुर्मः अस्मिन् विषये इदानीमपि कश्चित् प्रश्नः अस्ति चेत् पृच्छतु अन्यथा we'll do like a interactive type of vishleshanam atra. So probably two people, one like Sheila Bhagini and then Soumya Bhagini. So Sheila Bhagini, so you I have your answer sheet here. So we'll go through that one by one, and you explain the answers. Why you have put those answers. Then Soumya Bhagini will also explain where needed. Like the first one, for example. Okay, Sheila Devi. प्रथमं वाक्यमस्ति प्रथम प्रश्नः रिक्तस्थानं पात्र रिक्तस्थानं शीतल जलं पतति अत्र उत्तरमस्ति तव उत्तरमस्ति अत्र पात्रात् शीतल जलं पतति शीतलं जलं पतति
Sheetalam is a jala. Sheetalam is a visheshanam of jal. Jal is a sheetal. It's cold. Patrat I thought is a napunsakalingam. So patrat sheetalam is a vishesham. Jalam patati. Pivati? Yeah.
Patati.
Patati.
Patati. So
Jalam is that's why I put Sheetalam.
सम्यक् समीचीनमस्ति वाक्यम् उत्तरमपि समीचीनमत्र परन्तु इदानीं विवेचनम् अथवा विवरणम् अत्र किञ्चित् इतोपि अधिकं भवेत् इदानीम् उक्तं मया श्रुतमस्ति शीतलम् इति विशेष्यम् इति अनन्तरं पात्रपदं नपुंसकम् इति कारणात् पात्रात् इति अस्ति इति तथा तु विवरणं नापेक्षितम् अत्र सम्या भगिनी किम्
Patrat is Panchami Vibhakti, Ekavachanam Napunsakalingam, because in the picture the water is flowing from the patra. So when there is separation, it is Panchami Vibhakti, Patrat, Sheetalam Jalam, Sheetalam Visheshanam, Jalam Visheshyam. And Sheetalam is Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam Napunsakalingam, because Jalam is Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam Napunsakalingam. Sheetalam will take the Vibhakti Vachanam Lingam of Jalam. Patati Karmapadam.
Karmapadam Patati?
Oh, Patati.
Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam. Sorry, Kriyapadam. Jalam is Karmapadam. Yes.
Okay. Now, Sujata Bhagini, किं वदति अत्र? कुमारी भगिनी
जलम जलम इज नपुंसकलिंगम अस्ति विशेषम् अस्ति विशेषणं शीतलं द्वितीया विभक्ति अस्ति
सो क्रियापदम् अस्ति पतति कर्तृपदं किम् अस्ति किं पतति कर्तृपदं किम्
जलं पतति
कर्तृपदं किं कर्तृपदं पात्रात् okay anybody else need how is okay so Sujata Bhagini so patrat kartrupadam so in a kartri so all the examples and all the study we are doing, they are all kartari prayoga. We are kartari prayoga, not means active wise. We are not studying karmani prayoga yet. Okay, So in all Kartari Prayoga, Kriyapadam, obviously it's like this, like patati, etc., asti, tishtati, etc. And Kartrupadam will be in Prathama Vibhakti.
Oh.
So we are not, the Patra Panchami won't be.
Kartrupadam nasti then.
Okay, so what is Kartrupadam? Understand.
Jalam asti.
Jalam?
Jalam patati.
Yes. Patati. Patana kriyam kaha karoti. Iti kriyam kaha karoti. Atra agrima tritiya. Tritiyam vakyam asti. Marjaraha ashokam pashyati. Pashyati iti kriya.
Kriya.
सा तां क्रियां कः करोति अथवा का करोति इति प्रश्नः भवति चेत् यत् उत्तरं प्राप्यते तदेव कर्तृपदम्. तत्र मार्जयति, मार्जनक्रियां कः करोति, अतः पतति अस्ति, पतनक्रियां कः करोति, पतनक्रिया मीन्स् किं पतति एव प्रश्नः, अथवा कः पतति, किं पतति, का पतति.
जलं पतति, शीतल जलं पतति.
जलं पतति. सो स्वयं जलमेव पतति, जलेन एव कार्यं क्रियते, पतनकार्यं जलमेव करोति. जलस्य एव पतनं भवति, जलं पतति. सो जलम् इति कर्तृपदं. सो जलं पदस्य विभक्तिः कात्र?
जलं प्रथमा विभक्ति.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः. द्वितीया नास्ति, कर्मपदं नास्ति अत्र. प्रथमा. जलं पतति, शीतलं जलं पतति. शीतलमपि प्रथमा विभक्ति, जलं प्रथमा पतति इति. किमर्थं? जलमेव कार्यं पतति.
जलमेव पतति.
पात्रात् इति पञ्चमी, तत्तु भिन्नं.
Panchami.
So it should be patrat, not patram.
Patram na. Patram, why should it be patram? Yeah, why should it be patram? If you use patram, what is the vibhakti there you are trying to use?
Prathama vibhakti.
So if it is prathama, that becomes a kartrupadam, and that has to do the kriya. The patra is not falling, right? If you use patram patati, means patra is falling. The patra is not falling. From the patra, jala is falling. So we use jalam patati. So kasmat patati iti prashnaha. From where it is falling? Patrat patati.
Patra.
Any other question?
Udaya putriya.
No. We'll go one by one. But in this, about this jalam, kartrupadam or vishesh patrat, any other question?
Clear, Mahoday, very much clear.
So we should be clear about when the kartrupadam is used, when the karmapadam is used. Kartrupadam in all our sentences so far, and because they are in active voice. What is active voice? Active voice, passive voice, I think everybody knows, right? Active voice, passive voice means okay. So active voice, we are using active voice kartri prayoga, and that is what we are studying. But when we use karmani, like passive voice, the work is done by somebody. So that kind of usages, we'll study them later. However, those kind of sentences, I am also using them while talking. So just be aware of that. Astu. Any other question? Namaste, Usha Bhagini. I didn't receive your homework.
I didn't do it. I've been so busy with Akhanda Japam and all that. So I didn't get time.
I don't think that should be the reason for anybody. Some people are not forgot. This takes hardly 10 minutes. Please do the homework.
Okay. I'll do it today. Shamita.
Yeah, no problem. So, but just it takes time. So the thing is, do the homework means even if you do not have time, just copy paste. My request is just copy paste my question words and send it to me. It doesn't matter, even if you don't get time to think about it.
Okay.
Just copy paste and send it to me. Whatever. Copy paste the questions. Copy paste the questions. At least that you can do.
Okay.
All right. So next one. Khagayoho dhvanihi madhuram asti. Okay. Khagayoho dhvanihi madhuram asti. So here
Madhuraha only. Madhuraha asti.
Madhuraha.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Madhuraha.
Karanam.
विशेषणम् आफ् ध्वनिः
Ah.
एकवचनं पुंलिङ्गं प्रथमा विभक्ति महोदय.
Okay. किमर्थं ध्वनिः इति पदं पुल्लिङ्गपदं. ध्वनिः पुल्लिङ्गपदं. So if you are in doubt, some of this is like a ध्वनिः पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः वा स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दः वा इति संशयः भवति अत्र. तदा किं कर्तव्यं? शब्दकोशेषु द्रष्टव्यं. शब्दकोशम् उद्घाट्य शब्दकोशविषये चर्चा जाता पूर्वं. शब्दकोशं कथं, शब्दकोशः कथं द्रष्टव्यः इति. How to view, and there is a video also, and you already know, most of you know. So always do not cut the corners. If there is a doubt, please take time to refer to the dictionaries. Many of you have done already. I've seen that. So these ones like dhvanihi, nidhihi, shrutihi. Some of these are like lipihi. Some of these are like they are doubtful, like lingam, pullinga, strilingam. So make sure you open it and refer to it. So dhvanihi madhuraha. Anantram tritiyam vakyam. Kim asti? Kila Bhagini?
I put Asokaya because cat is looking at Asoka. Looking to Asoka. Cat is looking to Asoka. So I put Chatuthi there. Asokaya.
Ashokam. Kim pashyati. That will be the question there.
So that, yeah. Okay.
So it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Ashokam.
Ashokam pashyati.
Ashokam pashyati. So, so here again, start like do not think in English. At, Marjara is looking at, Marjara is looking to, Marjara is looking for, all that. So just look at the Kriyapadam here. Kriyapadam kim asti iti pashyatu. Patati iti asit purvam. Anantaram pashyati iti asti. So inna vakyam we need a kartrupadam. Obviously, somebody has to do that kriya, right? Kartrupadam sarvada apekshatameva. अत्र पतते इति कर्तृपदम् अस्ति आसीत् जलम् खगयोः ध्वनिः मधुरम् अथवा मधुरः अस्ति अस्ति इति क्रियापदम् अस्ति अत्र क्रियापदं किं भवति द्वितीयवाक्ये
अस्ति
खगयोः ध्वनि
क्रियापदम् अस्ति
तत्र कर्तृपदं किम्
खगयोः ध्वनिः ध्वनिः अस्ति
asti means is or exists, so that existing work is being done by whom or what? Dhvani is existing. Right? So dhvani kartrupadam bhavati. Kriya has to be done by somebody. But now karma padam bhavati. So before that, so when kartrupadam we will put in the prathama vibhakti. Now next question is karma padam. So karma padam bhavati vana bhavati iti prashna. Kadachit karma padam bhavati kadachit na bhavati. Kartrupadam sarvada bhavati. Karma padam bhavati vana iti prashna. Kadachit bhavati kadachit na bhavati. Sometimes karma pada can be there, may not be there. So when we ask the question to the kriyapada we will ask the question. So patati was patati, for example, here the question was kaha patati, kim patati. Pashyati also, kaha pashyati, marjara pashyati. Now can we ask the question kim pashyati, marjaraha? Again, with the kartupadam we have to ask the question, then it will be more clear. Like marjaraha kim pashyati. Only kriyapadam we ask kaha pashyati, marjaraha pashyati, or ka pashyati could be the answer. Or also kim. This could be also Napumsakalinga padam, Kartrupadam. Now the next question is Marjaraha.
Dhvani is Strilinga.
Dhvani Pullinga.
Because I saw in Sanskrit dictionary it was, anyway I might have seen wrong. Okay.
So Marjaraha Marjaraha kim pashyati. Now the question would be, whatever answer we get, if we get the answer, that answer will be the Ditiya Vibhakti. So here the answer will be Marjara Ashokam pashyati. Ashokam pashyati. Mahoday, go to your line.
Can it not be Ashokaha Marjara Pashyati? Marjaram Pashyati? It can be like that also?
Ashoka Marjaram Pashyati, yeah.
It can be like
Ashoka,
that also.
Yes. Can be like that. Ashokaha Marjaram Pashyati. If Ashoka is looking at the cat, then it could be Ashokaha Marjaram Pashyati. But in this, the question is starting with Marjaraha. So here the answer has to be Ashokam.
Okay.
Now can you mute your line?
Oh yes.
One more thing here, just a clarification. Marjaraha Ashokaya Pashyati. This is technically not incorrect, okay? But if you are intending that meaning, Marjaraha means for the purpose of Ashoka, it is looking something somewhere. If that is the intention, this could be correct. Okay? For the purpose of. For the purpose of Ashoka. Then the Chaturthi Vibhakti comes on that word. So in that case, it would be correct, but that is not intended here. Right. So next one, Chaturtham Vakyam. Okay, Sheila Bhagini. Next one. Mitram.
Mitram vastrena vatayanam marjayati. So he is using clothes to clean the window.
Yeah, that's fine. I think we know. But the main question here, why you are using the third? This is correct. But just tell everyone, why are you using third Tritiya Vibhakti here?
Use because he is taking the cleaning when with Bastra. That's why I put Tritiya Vibhakti.
So, Kinchit, in the technical terms, anybody want to?
With what?
Yeah, that is English. That is okay. That's fine. But
केन मार्जयति?
तृतीया विभक्तिः कदा प्रयुज्यते? इन्स्ट्रुमेंट. संस्कृतेन किम् उच्यते? संस्कृतभाषा इन्स्ट्रुमेंट मीन्स व्हाट? करणम् अथवा साधनम्, उपकरणं, करणं, साधनम्. अत्र ग्रामेटिकल टर्म्स अत्र करणम्. करणम् इस् आल्सो इन्स्ट्रुमेंट, उपकरणमेव. तत्र किं भवति? पूर्वं कर्तृपदम् इति. कर्तृपदं कदा भवति? कार्यं यः करोति तत् कर्तृपदम्. अनन्तरं कर्मपदम् अपि इदानीम् अवगतं. कर्मपदं किम् अस्ति अत्र? किम् इति प्रश्नः क्रियते चेत् तत्र कर्मपदं भवति. अनन्तरं केन इति प्रश्नः करणीयः. केन कार्यं भवति? मित्रं वाताय. मित् अत्र क्रियापदं किम् अस्ति? चतुर्थवाक्ये मार्जयति. पुनः तदेव प्रश्नं करोतु. कः मार्जयति इति प्रश्नः, प्रथमप्रश्नः. तदा उत्तरं प्राप्यते किं? कर्तृपदम्. मित्रं मार्जयति. किं मार्जयति? उत्तरमस्ति वा नास्ति? अस्ति. उत्तरमस्ति. वातायनं किम् अस्ति? कर्तृपदं. कर्मपदं किम् अस्ति? कर्मपदम्. इदानीं पुनः अग्रिम प्रश्नः, केन मार्जयति? पुनः अत्र मित्रं वातायनं केन मार्जयति? केन इति प्रश्नः पुनः क्रियापदस्य उपरि एव. केन? वस्त्रेण इति उत्तरं प्राप्यते. वस्त्रेण इति. वस्त्रम् इति साधनम् उपयुज्य एतत् क्रिया भवति. एषा क्रिया भवति. मार्जयति इति क्रिया भवति. स्पष्टम् एव्रिबडि?
आं महोदय.
उषा भगिनी?
Yeah, no question.
No question. Anybody? No question.
This is very nice, Mahoday. We are doing surgery.
Huh? We are doing what?
This is very nice that we are doing the surgery. I mean, going one by one. It's very, very nice.
Surgery. पञ्चमवाक्यं. पुत्र्याः रिक्तस्थानं क्रीडनकम् अस्ति. शीला भगिनी. डैश् डैश् हस्ते इति सम्यक् अस्ति. पदरूपं. किमर्थं हस्ते इति तस्य विभक्तिः का? किमर्थं?
सप्तमी विभक्ति. Daughter is holding Kridanakam in her hand, on her hand, in her hand. So that's why it's Saptami Vibhakti.
अत्र क्रियापदं किम्? अस्ति. कर्तृपदं? क्रीडनकम्. अत्र कर्मपदमस्ति वा नास्ति? कर्मपदं नास्ति. करणम् अस्ति वा नास्ति? यथा वस्त्रेण आसीत् नास्ति। पुनः प्रश्नः करणीयः, किम् अस्ति इति क्रियापदमस्ति, केन उपकरणेन सा क्रिया भवति, तथा नास्ति। अत्र उपकरणं नास्ति, साधनं नास्ति, परन्तु हस्ते इति अस्ति, परन्तु स्थानम् अस्ति। अत्र क्रियायाः स्थानम् अस्ति, अस्ति इति एक्सिस्टिङ्ग्। सा क्रिया कुत्र भवति इति प्रश्नः, कुत्र भवति इति प्रश्नं करोतु। क्रीडनकम् अस्ति, कुत्र अस्ति इति प्रश्नः। अस्य प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं लभ्यते अत्र। किम् अस्ति उत्तरं? कुत्र?
हस्ते।
हस्ते। कुत्र प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं भवति हस्ते। तत्पदं कथं भवति? सप्तमे विभक्तौ भवति। इदानीम् अस्य व्याकरणपदं किमस्ति? व्याकरणरीत्या अत्र करणमासीत्, कर्तृपदं जानीमः, कर्मपदं जानीमः। एतत् अत्र कर्मपदं किमस्ति? अत्र कर्मपदम् अशोकम्, अनन्तरं करणपदम् अस्ति वस्त्रेण। इदानीम् अत्र कीदृशपदमस्ति? अधिकरणम्। 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 What is अधिकरणम्? अधिकरणं स्थानमेव।
स्थानम्।
अधिकरणं स्थानं। किञ्चित् कालपूर्वं विशेष्य-विशेषणपदयोः मध्ये कीदृशसम्बन्धः अस्ति तस्मिन् विषये यदा चर्चितं, विशेष्य-विशेषणपदयोः समानाधिकरणं भवति इत्युक्तं। समान अधिकरणं भवति, तत्रापि अधिकरणमस्ति। पश्यतु, विशेष्यं विशेषणं भवतः तयोः समान अधिकरणं भवति। समान इत्युक्ते समम्, अनन्तरं समान अधिकरणम्। अधिकरणम् इत्युक्ते स्थानमेव। समानाधिकरणं, समानस्थानं भवति। विशेष्यपदं यथा शीतलं जलम् अस्ति, जलम् अस्ति अत्र। jalam iti sthanam. Sthanam means the holder, not where the jala is sitting. Jala itself is the sthanam there. Okay?
What do you mean samana adhikaranam?
Samana adhikaranam is both are pointing to the same object, right? Same entity. Shitala and Jala, both the words are pointing to the same entity. So that entity is called adhikaranam there. So entity is the holder of the jalatva, jala guna. Jala has a guna, right? Or a dharma. Jala has a dharma. Jalatvam, that is the jalatvam. Jala has like some atoms and some dravatva, etc. That together makes it a jalatva. So the jalatva guna or dharma is residing in this entity, what we see as a water. And now shitala dharma अस्मिन्नेव तस्मिन्नेव स्थाने अथवा अधिकरणे वसति समानाधिकरणम् इति same entity.
The same entity being water.
Yes, same entity being water.
Water.
So here adhikaranam is sthanam, the holder. So here hasta is the sthanam. Okay. So, and what about putryaha? Putryaha tasya vibhakti pratyah kaha?
Shashti?
Shashti. Shashti vibhakti. No. Okay, then okay, we'll see the next one. Shashtham vakyam.
Anakasya puratah putraha tishtati.
समीचीनं.
पुरतः पृष्ठतः उभयतः
Yes.
All that we use Sashti Vibhakti.
Yes, correct. So no problem there. So wherever Purata, Prishtata, Adha, Upari, etc., we use Shashti Vibhakti to indicate that associated word, right, with that Purata, Prishtata. Okay.
Relation.
Yeah, Janakasya Puratah. Shashtha. So this is Saptamam. Saptamam Vakyam.
Bakau Nile Dale Tarataha. This is same like the first one, Sitalam Jalam, like Jal is blue, Jale is in Saptami, so we put in Nile.
Yes, Nile Jale. Samichanam. अस्तु सम्यक् भगिनी अत्र क्रियापदं कर्तृपदं तस्य विश्लेषणं करोतु कृपया।
आं महोदय तरतः क्रियापदं बकौ तरतः बकौ कर्तृपदं जले कुत्र किं तरतः जले तरतः कर्मपदं बकौ तरतः द्विवचनं महोदय and jale is napumsakalingam, nile jale visheshanam, as Bhagini said, visheshanam visheshyam.
Taratah iti padam kriyapadam asti, tasya rupam kim?
द्विवचनं
पुरुषा
bakau taratah
पुरुषा
प्रथमपुरुषः
प्रथमपुरुषः तरतः कौ तरतः इति प्रश्नः बकौ तरतः सम्यक् भगिनि इदानीं जले कर्मपदं कथं भवति
कर्मपदं नास्ति बकौ तरतः कुत्र तरतः
कुत्र
not किं yes कुत्र तरतः जले तरतः
कस्मिन् कुत्र समानं कस्मिन् अथवा कुत्र जले
जले
पुनः कीदृशं जलम् अस्ति अथवा कीदृशे जले तरतः इति प्रश्नः भवति कीदृशे जलं कीदृशम् अस्ति नीलवर्णः नीलवर्णं जलम् अथवा नीले जले तरतः कीदृशं तस्यैव गुणधर्मः जलस्य गुणधर्मः नीलवर्णः अस्तु अनन्तरं नवमं
we have to write vibhakti of the word which is we have to fill in, no? Vibhakti. So here this one vibhakti we have to write, no? Indicate.
Yeah, I mean you don't need to write the vibhakti here like saptami etc. But this should be in the same vibhakti as its visheshya padam. Now here visheshya padam is jala, and jala is in saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. So this also should be, whatever you write here should also be in the same vibhakti vachanam. So here jale is in saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. So neela also should be in, you should not write neelaha or neelam, नीलेन etc. This should also be in saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. So नील padasya saptami vibhakti ekavachanam किं भवति नीले भवति, right? Like Rama becomes Rame, Phala becomes Phale, and Jala becomes Jale, Neela becomes Neele. It should match the vibhakti vachanam and actual lingam also of the visheshana padam, the adjective, should match the vibhakti linga vachanam of the visheshana padam. It should match. It should be matched means it should be same. अस्तु अग्रिमं वाक्यं
भगः उन्नते वृक्षे उपविशतः Khaga is a karta. Brikshe is a Saptami, that's why I put Unnate, because Unnata is referring to Briksha.
Okay. Samichanam. So, wait a minute. So, what is the reason for writing Khagaha?
I did not look at the Kaha. Khagau. Okay.
Because this is Upavishataha. Upavishataha is what Vachanam?
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam.
Right.
So the Kartrupadam also should be in the same Vachanam. Kartrupadam. Same Vachanam as a Kriyapadam.
Oh, Khagara.
Huh?
Got it there. Yeah.
Okay, Usha Bhagini, what are you? Okay, Lakshmikant Modaya, can you mute your line?
I have written Khagaha.
Why? So that's what we are explaining here. Now, Upavishataha is in which Vachanam? Upavishataha kim asti? Kriyapadam asti.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Lakshmikant Modaya. Kriyapadam, right? Kriyapadam. Upavishataha. So what is the Vachanam of this?
That is a Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam, correct. If this is Dvivachanam, the Kartrupadam also should be in Dvivachanam, because Kartra is doing this Kriya. So the Vachanam of the Kriya, Kartrupadam should match the Vachanam of the Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam and Kartrupadam should be in the same Vachanam.
So it should be Khagau, no?
Yes, Khagau. Correct. Khagau Unnate Rukshe Upavishataha.
So this is how would you ask the question? Upavishataha. Kaha Upavishataha?
Kaha we can't ask, because this we already know this is a Dvivachanam. So it is, what is the question now?
No, if we have to ask, if we are, when we are doing the Karakam, the question first is to identify the verb, right, in the sentence.
So we identify the verb here.
We ask the question, who is sitting, right?
So this is already in Dvivachanam, right? So how do you ask the question?
Kau Upavishataha.
Yeah, Kau Upavishataha.
Kau Upavishataha.
If it is Upavishati, then Kaha Upavishati.
And if it's okay, but we don't know the gender, so it will always be in masculine. Kaha.
No, you can use Napunsakalinga, you can use any other linga also. Doesn't matter. Whatever you wish to.
So I have a doubt. Can we retain the Ekavajanam Kagaha and Kriyapadam Upavishati?
Yeah. Yes. Can you retain means where? You want to change the question?
Khagaha is Khag is given, not so. Okay. You are given Khag.
So if it is Upavishati, then it would be Khagaha.
So yeah. So here you are emphasizing a verb.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to look at the question is formed like that. Upavishataha. Yeah.
Yes, understood, sir. Understood. I understood my mistake.
What is this Unnata Vrikshe? That also has to be changed, right?
No, that is a question. I don't think. Yeah.
No, Vrikshe is the Visheshanam. Vishesha. Unnata Vrikshe, right? So why did we change it to Unnate?
I don't think you have looked at the question paper.
Okay, I'm looking at it now.
Okay, so then we'll come back later.
Okay.
The next one. Agrimam Vakyam. Marjaraha. --
Marjaraha Unnatam Briksham Arohati. This is also Unnatam is following Briksham. Briksham is tall, so that's why I put Unnatam.
Yes. That's समीचीनमस्ति. Okay. अग्रिमम्.
जनकस्य पृष्ठतः वृक्षः अस्ति. It's same like we said earlier. पुरतः पृष्ठतः षष्ठी विभक्ति will come. जनकस्य.
Okay. सम्यक्. अग्रिमम्.
सख्याहस्ते सुन्दरा पाञ्चालिका अस्ति. Sundara is referring to Panchalika. That's why it's a Sundara Panchalika.
So Sundara padasya किं भवति? स्त्रीलिंग रूपं
सुन्दरी महोदय.
Sundari. So this should be Sundari, correct? Sakhyah aste Sundari Panchalika aste.
Okay. Sundari, it's not Sundara, it's a Sundari. Okay. Number 12. Sakhi putriyai panchalikam dadati. When we give something, we use a chaturthi vibhakti.
Yes, सम्यक् अस्ति. So what is the chaturthi vibhakti of putri?
Putriyai, right?
Putriyai.
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 It should be putrim. Putrim.
Dadati. When you have dadati, it is always chaturthi.
Panchalikam dadati. Panchalikam is karma padam.
Dadati, when dadati is happening. Yeah.
Kriya padam.
Okay, let's say. Usha Bhagini, what I want to say, let's say one at a time.
Okay, Panchalikam is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Correct.
Right? So karma padam. So putrim, so who are you giving the object to? The friend is giving the object to. So it is putrim.
Okay, so some have written putrim, few of you have written putrim, many of you have written like putra. So okay, Samya begin.
Chaturthi vibhakti asti dadati. Because of dadati, you always use chaturthi vibhakti when you have the giving action, dadati. So putriyai.
So again, like we talked before, do not translate into English. Sometimes it works, but many times it doesn't work.
So putrim is wrong then.
Yeah. So what does that mean? If you put putrim, what does it mean?
Yeah.
Sakhi putrim panchalikam dadati. What does that mean?
I was thinking it means two.
So again, we'll have to go by the kriyapadam here. Kriyapadam asti dadati. So start asking the question to dadati. Kaha dadati, kim dadati. So you have to ask questions. So as per that,
Putri dadati. Putri dadati.
hold on, I have to mute few people here.
Putri dadati.
Kasyai dadati.
Kasyai dadati.
So, Lakshmikant, what do you say? Mahoday?
Panchalika dadati.
No. Kaha dadati? Ka dadati?
Putri dadati.
No, not putri. Dadati. Dadati is a kriyapadam. So who is it?
I am saying putri.
No. First question is kartrupadam. On the kartrupadam, the question is kaha or ka.
Oh, Sakhi dadati.
Who is giving? Sakhi. Right? Sakhi is kartrupadam. The second question is kim dadati. So kim dadati. If there is an answer, that becomes the karma padam.
So that
Kim
is
dadati?
Panchalikam.
Panchalikam. Kim dadati. So Panchalikam. Panchalikam is what is it is karma padam. So karma padam gets the Ditya Vibhakti.
Kim
Now,
dadati.
if you... Huh?
Kim dadati would be, what did she give? Kaha, Kim dadati. Panchalika.
It's kasmai dadati.
Kasmai.
Kasmai.
Kasmai dadati. So it means.
Now, if you put Putri also in the Ditya, that means Sakhi is giving Putri also to somebody.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's okay, 12. Okay. Putriya.
So, the question is Kasmai Dadati. Kasmai or Kasyai. Kasmai is Pullingam, Kasyai is Strilingam. Kasmai is fine, or Napunskalingam, Kasmai. So the answer will be whatever you want to, whatever is happening. Now here it is Putrai.
Putrin. Okay, not Putriya.
Putrai iti Nadi Shabdavat Rupam. Nadi Shabdasya Chaturthi Vibhakti Prathama Ekavachanam. Sorry, Prathama. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam asti Putrai, Nadrai.
Mahoday, can you write it down, Putrai?
Yeah. Okay, next one.
Khagaha madhuram gitam gayatah. Gayatah. So here also it will be khagau madhuram gitam gayatah. This is incorrect.
Incorrect?
Khagau, it should be khagau, right? Khagau madhuram gitam gayatah.
Correct. It should be Khagav. Ditya Vibhakti kimartham? Why should it be Ditya? Sorry,
The verb gayatah.
Dvivachanam.
Gayatah. Yeah. That is Vivachanam, right?
Dvivachanam.
That is like Khaga. Okay.
So Gayatah, Prashnah ka atra, Prashnah, Kartrupadam kim?
Kau Gayatah.
Kartrupadam kim?
Khagav.
Khagav. Antam द्वितीयः प्रश्नः किं गायतः उत्तरं विद्यते न विद्यते मधुरम् अनन्तरं
गीतं गायते
गीतं गायतः तो गीतं किम् अस्ति कर्तृपदं कर्मपदं कर्मपदम् इदानीं मधुरं किम् अस्ति
विशेषणं
गीतं पदस्य लिङ्गं किम्
Napunsakalinga. And Geetam would be Visheshya, right?
Huh?
Madhuram will be
Visheshya Visheshanam.
Yes.
Geetam will be Visheshya and Madhuram is the Visheshanam.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, agrimam vakyam.
Upavanam vishalah asti.
Vishalam.
Oh.
Vishalam is Visheshanam of Upavanam.
Okay.
Napunsakalingam.
It's Vishalam asti.
Vishalam asti. Upavanam Vishalam. Vishalam because?
Oh, it's a Visheshanam of Vanam.
Vanam. Vishala padamapi lingam tasya linga bheda bhavati. Then napunsakalingam vishalam, pullinge vishalah, strilinge vishala.
Upavanam is Vanam is forest or garden? Could be either.
Which one? Upavanam? Garden.
So why am I adding Upa there?
Upavanam is garden.
Oh, and forest would be just Vanam then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Vishale upavane janaha upavishanti. Upavane is in Saptami. That's why I put Vishale. Vishale Upavane Janaha Upavishanti.
Tat samak. But you should also explain lingam also. Not only because Upavane looks like that is a. Got to be clear. Like lingam also you have understood.
Linga Ekavachan. Pullinga Ekavachan. Saptami Vivakti.
Upavanam Napunsakalingam.
So what was your previous in the sentence? Upavanam Napunsakalingam.
Janaha Bahuvachanam.
Janaha Bahuvachanam. But yeah, Janaha Upavishanti, that is Bahuvachanam. Shilabhini, Vishale Upavane. Is that clear? Upavanam is a Napunsakalingam.
Okay.
Okay.
Mahoday, she made the earlier one mistake, I think, because the adjective is after Upavanam. Here she wrote correctly, Vishale Upavane, which is correct. Vishale.
I noticed that.
If it was Vishalam Upavanam, you would have, I think, written it correctly.
That is correct, Bhagini.
Okay, so next one, Vruddha.
Vridha, I put the question mark here after. Vridha Matamahi Ushna Peyam Pivati. Ushnam Peyam Pivati.
You are not sure?
Yeah. Is it
Vridha?
Vridha?
You are not sure? Vruddha.
I was confused what to put on a Vridha. Ushnam is Peyam. Ushnam is referring to Peya, to drink. So that is fine. That is Ushnam. For the Vridha, I was not sure what to put.
Matamahi is not sure whether she is old or not.
No, Vriddaha or Vriddaha. Vriddaha Matamahi because this is she. Matamahi is she. So that
right.
I put Vriddaha or Vriddaha.
Vruddha, no?
Yeah, that's what confused. Is it Vriddaha or Vridda?
Vruddha.
Vruddha.
Vruddha. Punah vadatu. Vruddha, not Vruddha. Vruddha.
Vridha.
Like Vishala was there, Vruddha.
Vridha.
Vruddha. Mahila.
Matamahi. Yeah, I was not sure how to put that. Vridha.
Okay. So this Matamahi also it should be Dirgha. Okay. Matamahi.
Oh, yeah.
So this is correct. Ushnam Peyam. Peyam. What is the lingam of Peyam?
Napunsakalingam.
Atra vibhakti ka asti?
Dvitiya vibhakti. Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya, correct. Why? Why is it Dvitiya?
Because this is their karma padam.
Karma padam. Tasya pibati. Pibati asya prashna bhavati kim pibati? Ka pibati matamahi pibati. Kim pibati? Peyam pibati. Okay, next one. Amba.
Amba Madhuram Geetam Shrunoti. Madhuram is referring to Geetam. So that would be on the same linga and vachan, which is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan.
Yes. Samichinam. Agrimam.
So here it is correct, I think. Vriddaha Matamaha Mahaha Asanye Nidrati.
Okay, correct. Next one.
Puspani Sundaraha Santi. I also got confused with this one. I was not sure that will be because it's a lot of flower.
So how do you? What is the lingam of Sundara here?
Sundara is a ekvachan.
No, lingam.
Sundara is ekvachanam. So what is the lingam?
Napunsakalingam. No. Sundari we say, right? Sundara.
It is Visheshanam.
Visheshanam. Kasya Visheshanam?
Puspani Visheshanam. Puspa Visheshanam.
So Puspani padasya lingam vachanam kim? Vibhakti lingam vachanam?
Pushpani.
Lingam?
It's a bahuvachan.
Bahuvachanam. Lingam?
Lingam napunsakalingam.
Vibhaktihi?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya?
Bahuvachanam.
Prathama vibhakti.
Again, look at the Kriyapadam. Look at the Kriyapadam.
Santi.
Ask the question.
Santi.
Sante. So who is Sante?
Pushpani.
Pushpani. So that is a Prathama vibhakti, right? So we know Kartrupadam should be in Prathama. Who is the question? Who is doing Santi work? Existing work. Pushpani. Pushpani Prathama vibhakti. Bahuvachanam. Napunsakalingam. So we want to bring the Visheshanam in the same vibhakti linga vachanam here.
Sundara.
So if you like phala or pushpa only, like pushpa only, Sundara, so what is the Prathama vibhakti? Rupani katham bhavanti atra? Sundara padasya napunsakalinge?
Sundaram, sundarani.
Kim? Purah vadatu?
Sundaram, sundarani.
Sundare.
Sundaram, Sundare, Sundarani.
Sundare,
Sundarani. Yeah,
Okay.
I was also confused with this one. So Sundarani Santi.
Sundarani Santi. Antimam.
Visheshanam. Yeah.
Visheshanam.
So it is Sundaram, Sundare, Sundarani, right?
Yeah.
Prathama vibhakti.
Yeah.
Okay.
Antimam.
Putraha Maduram Khadyam Khadati. So Maduram is a following Khadyam. That's why it's Maduram. So Madura is Madura is Napunsakalingam. Ekvachan. And the Khadya is also Napunsakalinga Ekvachan.
Vibhakti. किमस्ति शिला भगिनी?
द्वितीया भवति महोदय.
द्वितीया. There are a couple of pictures. Let me see if I can. Can you read the last one? Ambayaha keshaha.
Ambayaha keshaha dirgha. So kesha
dirghaha.
Dirghaha, yeah. I put dirghaha, Mahoday. Kesha is a bahuvachan.
Correct.
Keshaha, so I put dirghaha.
अतः दीर्घ विभक्तिलिङ्गं वचनं किम् अस्ति?
दीर्घ बहुवचन.
विभक्तिलिङ्गं लिङ्गं किम्?
पुल्लिङ्गम्.
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग.
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग. विभक्तिः प्रथमा. So akaranta pullinga asti. Why? This is visheshanam, right? So why is it akaranta pullinga? That why are we using that form here? Why not strilinga? Why not napunsakalinga?
Because of kesha.
Kesha. Kesha is also akaranta pullinga shabda. विशेषणम् अस्ति. केशपदस्य विशेषणं. केशाः पदस्य विशेषणम् अपेक्षितं. दीर्घः इति रूपम्. So this last one, I'm sorry, I added like one day later. So some of you have done it, some not.
I didn't write Mumbai.
Yeah.
Mata patritam pathati.
Adyatanam, no? It is Adyatanam.
Janakaha Adyatanaha.
No.
Giovanni, are you there? Giovanni?
Adyatanam was supposed.
Hold on. Giovanni is going to explain. Janakaha.
Yeah, Janakaha Adhyatanam.
Hold on.
Adhyat.
कर्मपद.
Hold on.
Adhyatanaya.
Hold on. Can let Javane say something?
Adhyatanam, it's Vitiya Napumsakal. Yeah.
So what is the form? Adya.
Adhyatanam.
But your answer sheet is something different. It is not Adyatanam.
Oh, sorry. Yes, you're right. Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, mistake. It's Adhyatanim. Yes. Adhyatanim. Yes.
So, yeah. So what is the Vibhakti Lingam?
So it's Strilingam.
Strilingam. Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya. Vachanam tu pratham ekavachanam. So yeah, that answer is correct. Adyatanim Vartapatrikam. So why is it Strilingam? Why is it Strilingam? Because it is Visheshanam. Visheshanam of what?
Visheshanam of Vartapatrikam.
Yes, Samichinam. Vartapatrika asya padasya Visheshanam asti. Vartapatrika padasya lingam Strilingam.
Which is Strilingam and Vitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Correct. धन्यवादः. So this is अद्यतनी अथा नदी शब्दः अस्ति तथा अद्यतनी इति स्त्रीलिंग रूपम् अस्ति अद्यतन. Okay, any question?
No, Mahoday, very much clear.
Adyatana means today's. It's not today. Today's. This we have seen before, right? Adyatani.
Now regarding 47, Vruddhaha Matamaha Asanat or Asana?
Asane.
Asane. Guruji, I have made lot of mistakes, so I would like to have correct answer.
Yeah.
I have made lot of mistakes of Vibhakti, Vachan, Lingam. So I would like to answer.
Yeah, that is fine.
Can you explain how this Adyatanim is coming?
Mahoday, 42 Kaga. Kagau Madhura Geetam.
Yeah, Kagau Madhuram Geetam Gayatah.
Okay.
So Janakaha.
Sorry. I mean, can you just once again explain how this Adyatanim is happening? Just clear on that.
Yeah. So this one Asane Nidrati, because Nidra Mahodaya, Lakshmikant Mahodaya, Asane, it is Saptami Vibhakti because Nidra is the Kriya Padam. That Nidra Kriya is happening in the asana, in the chair.
Yeah.
So that is why we use the Saptami Vibhakti here. Now Adyatani, what is the question?
Yeah, the question is how is it Adyatana has become Adyatani? I mean, you said it is,
How there is no answer. It is the Strilinga form, like Sundara becomes Sundari, right?
But did we say that it became Strilinga because Varta Patrika is in Strilinga?
Right. Varta Patrika is Strilinga, right? Patrika.
Yeah. So that's why Adyatana is going to be Strilingam. So Strilingam is.
Yeah, I think that is the question. You are right. So Sudhirma, is that your question? Patrika is a Strilingam. Huh?
Yeah, Patrika is a Striling. That's right. So what is the root word? I mean, can you just let me know? I mean, Adyatani. What is the root word for this?
Root is Adyatani only.
Like
the root word itself.
Is it like Nadi?
Yeah, Nadi only. Nadi. Adyatani is the Ditiya Vibhakti, like Varta Patrikam. Like we have that Sundari Panchalika. Right? This is the Prathama Vibhakti, the Sundari, that Sundari becomes Sundari. So this becomes Adyatani, like Nadi, Sundari, etc.
Right, Mahoday. Dhanyavad,
Mahoday. Now, Sudhir Mahoday, you only answer. If this is Varta Patram, then what this should be? Sudhir Mahoday, Varta Patram. If this is Varta Patram, then what should this Adyatana will be? जनकः अद्यतनं सिम्पल् जनकः अद्यतनं वार्तापत्रं पठति बिकास् पत्रं what is the lingam of patram?
So Napunsakalingam.
Correct. Napunsakalingam. So it is. So that's why adyatana becomes adyatanam, like
yes,
phalam.
Yes, ma'am.
Ni dirgha, no?
Ni dirgha.
Adyatan.
Ni dirgha.
Guruji, I would like to have it.
Yeah. So later on, maybe Samya Bhagini, you can just share your answer sheet. Everybody seen that.
Okay.
Somebody can share correct answer.
Yeah.
Because I have made a lot of mistakes. Maybe due to
no worries.
not understanding.
Mistakes are not a problem. Fine. But now
my struggle was how to ask the question. Like you went over to the question, it's very much clear today. Like how to ask kim pashyati, kena pashyati, kutra pashyati. Like it was very helpful today that we're asking questions. And my difficult was that doing this homework. How to ask the question.
Okay. Hope it is clear.
And then ask the question. First look at the verb in the sentence.
Like which question to ask? I got confused. Like kasmai dadati, kim dadati, kaha dadati. Like how to add that question? Which question? Like why not kutra pasya? Like which question to ask? That's my confusion. But I got it for all these questions. We went through the questions, so it's very, very good.
So so in this book, one of the appendixes I remember. So here there is a somebody, I think Suresh Mahodaya had prepared such kind of table before. In this book also I added it. So this is like a kaha, kim, kena, kasmai, kasmat, kasya, kasmin. So these are the simple questions you can ask, and with the examples which are given here. This is the appendix to the book. Previously, I think Suresh Mahodaya is not here today. He's not here. Okay, so are you ready to move forward? And this is okay. I mean, mistakes are not a problem. There could be some doubts and misunderstanding, and these are going to happen. That is fine. So going forward, we'll keep on improving. Okay, what next?
Mahodaya, I bought this book, but I'm not seeing this page 133.
Okay.
My last number is 125.
We'll come to that later. So did anybody look at this one? This was too confusing. Flow chart. So
I just looked at it more there, but I could not contemplate on it. Some of the words are new.
Yeah. So anyway, so we don't need to look at this today or anytime soon. But just basically, this is just a very high level view. What we have just touched base upon here is this part. Pratipadikam plus vibhakti pratyaya is getting like this, becoming namapadam. Pratipadikam plus supratyaya, that supratyaya vibhakti pratyaya, that is equal to namapadam. And dhatu plus Akhyata pratyaya. Akhyata pratyaya is a thing pratyaya, which I am not written thing and sup to avoid those technical. But anyway, there are many technical words here. But sup pratyaya and ting pratyaya. So here pratipadikam plus sup pratyaya becoming namapadam, and dhatuhu plus ting pratyaya becoming kriyapadam. So these two parts that we have just seen. Now we also seen, I think we also saw krut pratyaya, right? Krut pratyaya also originates from dhatu, like we saw in the example of pathitavan. So dhatu is pat. Pat is the dhatu, and we are adding the tavatu pratyaya. Tavatu is one of the krut pratyaya that we saw. Tavatu. So that is krut pratyaya is here. Dhatu plus that one of the krut pratyayas becoming, so it turns into a new pratipadikam. Nutana pratipadikasya nirmanam bhavati. So what is the nutana pratipadika in this case? Pata plus tavatu. Yes, an answer?
Patitavan.
Patitavat.
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 Patitavat iti nutana pratipadikam. So you follow this, that follows this line. What line? Dhatu, pat, and then this line, this flow. Dhatu plus that tavatu pratyaya becoming a nutana pratipadikam. Once it becomes a nutana pratipadikam, it is here. Now it can take these different paths. Like nutana pratipadikam plus vibhakti pratyaya becomes a namapadam, right? And it can also take other path which is shown here, and it can take this path, okay, which is shown here. So this also we saw that part, saw briefly, like this patitavat pratipadikam, and once three pratyaya called, we saw the e pratyaya. E is a three pratyaya, and that again comes back to a nutana pratipadikam called patitavati, right? So with that, once it becomes here pratipadikam, then it can take these different other routes, even this route, outgoing paths from here. So this is why this is the like a factory. It comes from this different things. Once it gets this stamp or seal, what to call it, of it is a pratipadikam, then it can proceed forward to a different paths. Okay. Now tavatu. So now, before going forward, once again, Visheshanam, Vishesham, that relationship is clear, right? So Vishesham, Visheshana padayoho, Lingam, Vachanam, Vibhaktihi, tit samanam bhavet tatra. So what is the Visheshanam, Vishesham? Tesham samanadhikaranam bhavati. They point to the same entity. This is another main thing you have to remember. So when we say Shitalam Jalam, so that entity is Jalam only, that Shitala Dharmaha, Jala Dharmaha, Tasminneva Padarthe Bhavati Tatra. Anantaram Tathaiva Madhuram Khadyam. Madhuraha Dhvanihi. Dhvani and Madhura, they are pointing to the same entity. Madhuram Khadyam, same entity. Neela Jala, same entity. Neele Jale, Unnata Ruksha, like that. So when we add this Tavatu, so last week we discussed, then it becomes a Visheshanam, right? Patita Vat becomes a Visheshanam, acts as a Visheshanam in a sentence. So Patita Vat is the Pratipadikam. We'll look at some word forms of Patitavat. Patitavat is a Pratipadikam. So here we have different Pratipadikam Examples are here. Udaharanani santi yatha Rama, Hari, Pati, Sakhi, etc. Pratipadikani, Padavari. तथैव पठितवत् अपि प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति. इदानीं किमस्ति विशालः. So what was the word there in the Grahabhyasa? Vishala Upavana. So there was one more Vishala, right? Same
Vishale Upavane.
Let's take the example of this Sundara Pushpa. Sundara Pushpa. Sundara Pushpa. Now, अत्र प्रथमा विभक्तौ वाक्यं रचयतु. Sundara and Pushpa. पुष्पम एकवचनमेव. सुंदरम पुष्पम. सुंदरम पुष्पम. उदाहरणं किम् अत्र?
मम उपवने सुंदरं पुष्पं सन्ति वा अस्ति. मम उपवने.
Let's make simple sentences. Sundaram pushpam asti. That's it. That is the example of prathama vibhakti, right? Sundaram pushpam asti. Now, if you want to use dvitiya vibhakti, Jagrati Bhagini, ane udaharanam asti. Sundaram pushpam. Prathama vibhakti prayogaha asit. Sundaram pushpam asti. Dvitiya vibhakti prayogaha उदाहरणं कथं भवति?
सुंदरे पुष्पे.
It's the same, right? Sundaram pushpam.
द्वितीया विभक्ति.
सुंदरे.
Oh, sundare pushpe. Yeah.
द्विवचनं न, द्वितीया विभक्ति. द्वितीया विभक्ति.
Sundaram pushpam eva.
It will be same. It will be same.
Yeah, sundaram pushpam.
Yeah, same, but उदाहरणं वाक्ये प्रयोगः. So I use the first prathama vibhakti. I use sundaram pushpam asti, right? Prathama vibhakti. Atra prathama vibhakti asti. Kimartham asti iti kriyapadam asti. Asti kriyapadasya kartrupadam asti sundaram pushpam. Pushpam iti kartrupadam, sundaram iti vishesham. Tada prathama vibhaktau sundaram pushpam iti jnayate. Idanim द्वितीया विभक्तौ तस्य प्रयोगः कथं भवति? उदाहरणं वदतु एकवाक्यस्य.
मम हस्ते सुंदरम पुष्पम अस्ति.
मम हस्ते सुंदरम पुष्पम अस्ति. तत्रापि पुनः प्रथमा विभक्ति एव अस्ति. द्वितीया कुत्र अस्ति पुष्पम्?
अहं सुंदरम पुष्पं ददामि.
समीचीनम्. अहं सुंदरम पुष्पं ददामि. अहं
पश्यामि.
अहं सुंदरं पुष्पं ददामि. पश्यामि ददामि. इदानीं द्वितीया विभक्तिः भवति एतत्. प्रथमा विभक्तिः नास्ति अत्र. द्वितीया. प्रथमा विभक्तिः कुत्र अस्ति अत्र?
वने सुंदरे
पुष्पे.
न अत्र अस्मिन् वाक्ये प्रथमा विभक्ति पदं किम् अस्ति?
अहम्.
अहम् इति प्रथमा विभक्ति पदम् अस्ति. अहम् इति प्रथमा विभक्ति पदम् अस्ति.
कर्तृपदमस्ति.
So you have to ask the question on dadami. Kaha dadami? Who is doing this dadami work?
Uttama Purusha.
Uttam Purusha. Uttam Purusha. Aham iti kartrupadam. किं ददामि पुष्पं ददामि so here it is द्वितीया विभक्ति now अस्य तृतीया विभक्ति रूपं किं भवति
सुन्दरेण पुष्पेण
पुष्पे
तथा वाक्यप्रयोगः सुन्दरेण पुष्पेण वाक्ये अहम् इति न आवश्यकं किमपि अन्यत् वाक्यं एकनिमिषः किं मङ्गला भगिनी
कृष्णेन सुन्दरेण पुष्पं ददाति
पुष्पेण
decorate. What is the word for decorate? Decorate.
कृष्णेन न आवश्यकं
सुन्दरेण पुष्पेण मित्राय ददाति.
So if it is tritiya, what is the meaning?
Instrumental. It is instrumental.
Alankaromi.
Karana.
Upakaranam.
Upakaranam. So pushpena dadami, it can't be. What are the sentence?
I want to say decorate. I decorate the god with the.
Yeah, that is correct. But what are Jagriti beginning? What are the vakyam?
I said aham sundarena pushpena mitraya dadati.
No, because you are not using the pushpa to give something, right? You are not using. Pushpa is not the instrument. You are giving the pushpa.
Right.
So how about if I said pushpena devan alankarami?
Alankarami. Correct. Sundarena pushpena alankarami. Now the next now chaturthi vibhakti.
I think here that other person's example fits. No,
Sundaraya
Pushpaya
Dadami.
Sakhyarthaya.
No, Sakhi bhavata. But what just Sundaraya Pushpaya. We want Pushpaya. Pushpaya. Sundara is okay, but Pushpaya. Pushpaya means for the Pushpa, for the flower.
Okay.
For the purpose of flower.
Pushpaya. Sundare.
Alangaraya.
I want to say I decorated. No, it is for. We are Chaturthi is for, right?
For the purpose of. So there may not be good example using pushpaya, right? So we might athva pushpaya dhanam dadami. Pushpaya is also not correct. So pushpaya, not dhanam.
Pushpaya. Gata is a pot. Pushpa in a pot.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Pushpaya ghatam anayami, something kundam anayami.
Pushpaya kundam anayami. I'm bringing a pot for the flowers. Okay.
Yeah. Again, you can add a vishesham. Sundara kidrushaya pushpaya sundaraya pushpaya. Pushpaya dhanam anayami. Anantaram panchami bhakti. Pushpat.
Pushpat. Oh, can you say Pushpat?
Pushpat sundarat pushpat madhura.
What's that smell?
Sugandham.
Sugandham. Smelling.
Gandha. Agachati.
Pushpat.
Sundarat.
Sugandham. Agachati.
Gandha is sugandha only.
Okay.
Gandha agachati. Okay.
Pushpasya mala.
Pushpasya mala.
Dharayami.
Okay. Pushpasya mala. That is enough. Pushpasya mala asti. So what again? Visheshanam kim bhavati?
पुष्पस्य माला
पुष्पस्य गन्धं सुन्दरपुष्पस्य
पुष्पे सप्तमी विभक्ति उदाहरणं पुष्पे सुन्दरे पुष्पे
मधुरमस्ति
ओके सुन्दरे पुष्पे किमस्ति गन्धः अस्ति पुष्पे किमपि अस्ति पुष्पे भ्रमरः अस्ति भ्रमर इस् दट् वट् इस् दट् कीटः किं भवति भ्रमरः सुन्दरे पुष्पे भ्रमरः
ओके सुन्दरे पुष्पे भ्रमरः
पुष्पे सप्तमी विभक्ति स्थानं so now you are looking at the विभक्ति रूपाणि सप्त विभक्ति रूपाणि पुष्पपदस्य तथा तस्य विशेषणपदमपि सुन्दरं सुन्दरं इत्यादि कथं प्रयोगः भवति इदानीं पठितवत् इति पदमस्ति चेत् पठितवत् इति प्रातिपदिकं तस्य रूपाणि सप्तविभक्तिषु रूपाणि कथं भवन्ति पुल्लिङ्गे पठितवत् अपि विशेषणं यथा सुन्दरम् आसीत् सुन्दर इति विशेषणं सुन्दर सुन्दर सुन्दरः पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति चेत् सुन्दरः सुन्दरं सुन्दरेण सुन्दराय सुन्दरात् सुन्दरस्य सुन्दरे इति रूपाणि तथा पठितवत् इति प्रातिपदिकमस्ति चेत् पुल्लिङ्गरूपे तत्र विभक्तिरूपाणि कथं भवन्ति इति पश्यामः So here I added one patitavat here. This is a new word added. Patitavat. Let's look at this. So this is the table.
Patitavan, patitavantam, patitavantah.
Okay, so here Madhya can read this. Entire table.
Yes, Madhya.
It is not Patitavat, no, it is Patitavan.
Yeah, but Pratipadikam asti Patitavat. Pratipadikam Mula Shabda is Patitavat. Its Pullinga forms becomes like this. It changes.
Good.
Yeah, go ahead.
प्रथमा पठितवान् पठितवन्तौ पठितवन्तः संबोधनं पठितवन् पठितवन्तौ पठितवन्तः द्वितीय पठितवन्तं पठितवन्तौ पठितवतः तृतीय पठितवता पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भिः चतुर्थी पठितवते पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भ्यः पंचमी पठितवतः पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भ्यः षष्ठी पठितवतः पठितवतोः पठितवतां सप्तमी पठितवती पठितवतौ पठितवतोः पठितवत्सु.
So this is like Sundara Shabda, what we saw, like it is a Visheshana. Tavatu pratyayasya prayogena yat pratipadikam bhavati यत् प्रातिपदिकं भवति तत् पदं विशेषणं भवति. इदानीं what is the meaning of patitavat or patitavan? Meaning of patitavan?
Somebody Visheshanam
has read.
One who has read.
One who has read means the read person, not read, R-E-D. Read.
Having read.
No. One, the person who has read. or just we can say red person. So if you want to use this in a sentence, let's just take we have got a couple of minutes. Just we'll see a couple of examples with the different vibhakti. Just we saw like Sundara Pushpa, Sundaram Pushpam, like that. Different vibhakti vakya prayoge. Yatha prathama vibhaktau asti patitavan balakah. Let's take the like Pushpam. Let's take balakah atra. Out of Sundaram we'll take patitavan or kavatu prayoga. Patitavan balakah. Balakah iti pullinga shabdah. So patitavan asya lingam kim? Patitavan padasya lingam.
पुल्लिंग
पुल्लिंगम. वचनम किम?
एकवचन.
विभक्तिः
प्रथमा.
तो पठितवान् उदाहरणं किम् अस्ति इदानीं वाक्ये प्रयोगः कथं भवति? पठितवान् बालकः
प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं.
सम्पूर्णवाक्यं कथं भवति?
बालकः पुस्तकं पठितवान्.
उत्तीर्ण बालकः
बालकः
अत्र अस्ति भविष्यति.
No, what is the example?
पठितवान् बालकः अत्र अस्ति.
Simple. Don't go back to that old habit. बालकः पठितवान्.
पठितवान् बालकः अस्ति.
Simple. So again, that's why I took time to go through all the vakyas of Sundara Pushpa. Okay? So we'll follow the same order and see what the meaning becomes. Okay? Because we know that Patitavan is a Visheshanam, so we should be able to use it as a Visheshanam like Sundara, like similar to those examples. Right? So Patitavan Balakah Asti. So what is the meaning of this?
Here is a boy, a red person.
The red person is here.
Yeah. The boy who is red is here. Okay? Now asya ditiya vibhakti rupam katham bhavati patitavan. Where is that? What is the ditiya?
Patitavantam.
Patitavantam. So we'll use that in the sentence. Patitavantam
balakam asti.
Dadatu. No, balakam.
So what was the example with Pushpam for Ditiya Bhakti? Sundaram Pushpam.
Nayami.
Aham patitavantam balakam pashyami.
Nayami.
Pashyami.
Aham patitavantam balakam pashyami.
Right, like Sundaram Pushpam Pashyami, like that Patitavantam Balakam Pashyami, correct? So what is the meaning here?
I see a red person, a boy who is red.
Yeah, I see a red person, red boy.
Can it be Patitavantam Balakam Asmi?
No, Asmi is yourself, right? Here we are using Ditiya Bhakti like a karma padam. Like Khadyam Khadami, Geetam Shrunomi, like that. Madhuram Geetam Shrunomi, like that. We are using a Ditiya Bhakti here.
Yeah, but what is wrong with saying Asmi?
So who is
Asmi? For us, for me.
Oh, I see, okay.
Asmi is Aham Asmi, right? Not Balakam Asmi.
Oh, I see.
Uttama Purusha. So here is Aham is there. Aham, because Pashyami is there. Aham Patitavantam Balakam Pashyami. Pashyami Kriya Kena Kriyate Aham. Aham is doing Pashyami work. But who is he seeing? Who is he looking at? He is looking the red boy.
Yeah.
The boy who is Kim Pashyami? Balakam Pashyami. Balakam Pashyami. Balakah Kidrushah asti. Kidrusham Balakam Pashyami. The Balakam can be Sundaram. So कीदृशं बालकं पश्यामि?
पठितवन्तं बालकं.
पठितवन्तं बालकं पश्यामि. So balaka can be sundaram also. Sundaram balakam pashyami, patitavantam balakam pashyami. Like balaka can be sundaram or unnatam. So balaka's gunadharma is sundara. Balaka's gunadharma is unnata. तथैव बालकस्य अन्यः गुणधर्मः अस्ति पठितवन्त. So he is the read person. Okay? The having being read, that gunadharma is in balaka. So they are in the same adhikaranam, samanadhikaranam atra, visheshanam. Okay. So now the third vibhakti example. What is the third vibhakti?
Paditavata balakena
Patitavata.
Kridami.
Patitavata. Balakena.
Kridami.
Balakena kridami milami. Patitavata balakena saha kridami. So I play with. Saha is there. Saha is optional. Patitavata balakena saha kridami or milami. Aham. So this is the third using the third vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti, balakena and patitavata. Right. So similarly, you can also use the other forms also, chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami, right? And make those sentences with balaka in those different meanings that we already saw with, like pushpa, different examples with different vakya prayoga, different vibhakti. And you can use this as a visheshanam with balaka or any pullinga padam and put this into different vakya and try it. You can take this as an example. Grahabhyasa.
Once again, you explain Pratika Rupam. Pratika, what is Pratika Rupam?
Which Rupam? Pratipadikam?
Pratika Rupam.
I think we want to see that flowchart again.
What is that Pratika? Pratika.
Where? On this screen or different screen?
What it means, Pratika Rupam?
Where is it? I am not seeing it.
No, you said, no?
I think it's according to your flowchart.
What is a Pratika? What is Pratika?
No, I didn't use Pratika.
I think he is asking meaning of Pratika.
Pratipadikam.
I said Pratipadikam asti atra patitavat. Moola shabda.
नूतन प्रातिपदिकम्
नूतन प्रातिपदिकम् नूतन पठ dhatu was there, right? Dhatu was pat, and then we add tavatu as a pratyaya, then it became a nutana pratipadikam called patitavat. Then once it becomes nutana pratipadikam,
then you can define it.
Then it becomes it has this all the different forms, different vibhakti, the different forms here.
So Pratipadikam is a base word that you can modify.
What is this Pratika
form?
Huh?
What is this Pratika word?
There is no Pratika. Pratipadika.
Pratipadika.
Huh.
So what is that? Moolapada?
Yeah, Moolapada. Yes, Moolapada of a noun. Pratipadikam is the Moolapada of a noun.
Pratipadikam.
But of a verb, it is dhatu, right? No.
Yes.
Yeah, is that correct?
Yeah. Kriyapadasya Moolapadam dhatu. Namapadasya Moolapadam patitavat. Sorry. Pratipadikam.
Then last time you explained. Forgot.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Yes.
Patitavan. So this, if you take this patitavat as the moola padam or pratipadikam, like Rama, Balaka, etc. Rama, Balaka also have their own table like this, vibhakti table. So this pratipadikam patitavat also has its own table. And this patitavat is the takaranta pullinga shabda. Takaranta, like Rama is akaranta. This patitavat is ta, because it is ending in ta here. This pratipadikam is ending in ta.
What are the other examples of takaranta pullinga?
Huh?
What are other examples of takaranta pullinga shabda? Besides patitavat? We showed I think on the website. There are different, right?
There are different, like here Mahat is there, but they are of a different, little bit different form. So that's why I kept it as different.
Okay, but it is a takaranta pullinga.
Huh?
You would still call it a takaranta pullinga, right?
Yes, takaranta pullinga eva.
Yeah.
But this is a little bit different than this Dhimat and Mahat, etc. So it doesn't exactly match. So I am putting it separately here. So
do we have to
patitavat.
memorize all of them?
Yes.
That are different. You have to memorize them.
Yep. So yes. So here in this table we have this. There is the.
Patitavan, Patitavan.
In this column we have this patitavan, etc. So all these forms, these are actually in the pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Not pratipadikam is not given here. So the pratipadikam becomes the takaranta, like nitavan is like nitavat, gatavan is gatavat, nitavan pitavat, etc. So the pullinga rupam, they all take the same form like this, like gatavan, gatavantav, gatavantaha, gatavantam, gatavantav, gatavantaha, gatavataha, gatavata, gatavadhyam, gatavadhi, etc. So you can apply this table to all these which are in this column J.
Okay.
And also we looked at Pratama Vibhakti, Ditya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti examples in the Vakya, in the sentence. Similarly, you should be able to form the sentences with these different words, using them as a Visheshanam, like Patitavan balaka asti, Patitavantam balakam pasya, Patitavata balakena saha kridami. Anantaram Chaturtha Vibhakti kim bhavati, Patitavate balakaya pustakam dadatu, Patitavatah balakat kim pustakam patati, Patitavatah balakasya pustakam asti shashti, balakasya pustakam asti, kasya balakasya pustakam asti, Patitavata balakasya, Patitavati balake, balake jnanam asti. So what kind of balaka? He is a red balaka. Patitavati balake jnanam asti. Like this you can form this.
Patitavati is sounds like a strilinga, but it's a pullinga, right?
Yes, pullingam saptami vibhakti, takaranta pullinga shabda, tasya shashti vibhakti, patitavat.
Yeah, sounds like a pullinga.
So this is, we are using it as a Visheshanam then?
Yes, Visheshanam.
Okay, so Visheshanam is defined.
Yeah.
These slides will be given, no? These slides will be available.
Yeah, this is not a slide. This is on that. This is on the website here.
Hotspot.
Grammar tab. And if you go to grammar tab, there is a Halanta Pullinga Shabda. In that Patitavat is there here. There are other Takaranta Pullinga Shabda also. You say Marut, Pachat, etc. But they have little bit different forms. So I made this a separate one, Patitavat. But to this Patitavat, we can apply the similar forms to all these which are in column J here. But they are all Pravatu forms.
Now, how did we come to this spreadsheet?
Okay, we'll go once again here.
Yeah.
saying. So here, table of verb forms.
Okay, that's the okay, Google Sheet, okay.
Okay, धन्यवादः.
And the overflow chart is in the Sanskrit grammar overview, right? Madhe?